Have you ever walked into a cafe in London and felt completely lost? You know the drink you want, but you freeze when the barista asks, "Would you like that hot or iced?" Don't worry, you're not alone. By the end of this lesson, you'll confidently order coffee or tea like a true Brit. Hi everyone, I'm your English guide from Zen English Podcast. Today, we'll explore essential phrases for ordering coffee or tea in cafes across the UK. Is this important? Well, mastering cafe phrases helps you sound confident in daily conversations. Avoid misunderstandings with baristas and practice your pronunciation in real-life situations. We'll cover phrases, pronunciation tips, common mistakes, and even real-life dialogue. You'll also get interactive moments to pause, repeat, and test yourself. Let's get started. Section 1. Greetings. When you first approach the counter, greetings are key. Start with polite ways to say hello, hi, how are you today, good morning, or simply hello. Notice the intonation. Keep it friendly and natural. Never rush your greeting. It sets the tone for the rest of the order. Pause for a moment and repeat each greeting aloud, just like a real conversation. Section 2. Specifying your drink. Now, let's talk about the main drink order in the UK. The most common options are coffee black, latte, cappuccino, flat white, and tea black, green, herbal, Earl Grey. Here's how to ask clearly. I'd like a latte, please, or can I have a cup of Earl Grey, please? Notice the polite phrasing. I'd like is much better than give me. Pause and repeat each phrase slowly. Practice saying it naturally. Common mistakes include skipping politeness or mispronouncing the drink names, so take your time. Section 3. Size and temperature. Next, you need to choose the size and temperature. Common sizes in the UK are small, medium, or large, or sometimes regular or large. Temperature options include hot, iced, or extra hot. Example sentences: can I have a medium latte, hot please, or I'd like a large iced tea, thank you. Always say the temperature last. It sounds more natural. Repeat these aloud. Now remember, forgetting size or temperature is a common mistake, so make sure you include both. Section for customisations and add-ons. In the UK, you can customize your drink. Choose your milk, semi-skimmed, skimmed, oat, or almond. Add sugar, white, brown, or syrup. Extras like whipped cream or chocolate sprinkles are also common. Example sentences: can I have a cappuccino with oat milk, please? Or I'd like a black tea with a dash of honey. Pause and repeat. I'd like a latte with almond milk, please. Focus on polite phrasing and clear pronunciation. Common mistakes include skipping please or saying I want instead. Section 5. Paying and polite closing. Finally, let's talk about paying and saying thank. Useful phrases include how much is that, please, or can I pay by card? And always follow with thank you very much. Example dialogue: customer, I'd like a small cappuccino, hot please. Barista, that'll be £350. Customer, here you go, thank you. Barista, enjoy. Repeat these aloud to practice natural rhythm and intonation. Real-life dialogue demo. Let's see a real-life conversation at a London cafe. Customer, hi, I'd like a medium latte, hot please. Barista, sure. Would you like any sugar or milk? Customer, yes, semi-skimmed milk and 1 sugar, please. Barista, great. That'll be £350. Customer, here you go, thank you very much. Barista, enjoy your drink. Pause and repeat each line. Imagining yourself in the cafe, try to match the natural flow and tone interactive practice moments. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. I'd like a flat white. Hot please. Next. Try. Can I have a black tea with a splash of milk, please? Which one sounds more natural? Practice both aloud and notice the polite phrasing and pronunciation. Let's summarize what we've learned today. Start with a friendly greeting. Specify your drink politely using I'd like or can I have a size and temperature. Add customizations like milk, sugar, or extra. Speak politely and say thank you. Politeness and clear pronunciation will make you sound confident and natural. Practice these phrases every day in cafes, with friends, or even at home. The more you practice, the more fluent you'll feel. If you found this lesson useful, comment below with your favorite cafe phrase. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical English lessons. You comments in comments section. Yes, British cafe culture. Our next video will cover British cafe culture, ordering snacks and pastries. Keep practicing and soon you'll be ordering like a local. Cheers!